Smile.
Going?
Yep.
Okay.
So you don't have? Can you like take extra metal and make it?
Yeah, you can weld two pieces together like this here.
All you need
two washers, weld it, and it actually there's steel in the rod, and the rod melts, and it kind of melts these, and it also fills.
You need welding gloves.
Yeah, I do. Nice little welding gloves. You bet.
Wow, that started to burn your glove, didn't it?
Yeah. I almost forgot I didn't have my welding gloves on. So it's here, yeah, you can weld. I can make, I can weld this bolt right here, the head of this bolt, anywhere I want on that. Or whatever, weld this nut to it.
That's funny.
You getting pictures?
Movie.
Huh?
Movie.
Okay, that can teach you to weld also.
Yeah.
There's a lot of good work right now with all this field work, this gas stuff. You might be able to get jobs as a pipeline welder.
What are you doing there?
Hmm?
What are you doing there? You're just taking.
It's chipping the slag off. I was chipping that crust off of it.
Oh.
The crust is from that stuff coating here.
Oh.
It keeps it clean, so it's nice and shiny underneath. Get some impurities out. And if you have a grinder, then you can finish grinding it and make it really smooth. Like if I had two pieces, or if I put a piece in here and welded them together, I could put a grinder on it and grind it smooth, and you wouldn't be able to see the seam.
Cool.
And it kind of melted the paint on the back. Let's see, I got. Okay.
Any other tricks, or is that the only demonstration?
I guess. Well, what do you want to see welded?
I don't know.
That was a 6013 rod. It's for thin stuff. It's soft, easy to clean slag. It's not good for deep structural welds, but it's good for tubing.
This could be the end of first demonstration. Later, you can do
Okay,
separate.
this will be the end of the first demonstration. There'll be more later for those who are capable of understanding the advanced levels of thermonuclear fusion. This will be my welder of the future. This welder is powered by gas. The next one, nuclear fusion. I must weld a containment device for the fuel, however. But the fuel is easy. We start with hydrogen. That's easy to get. Then we just got to compress it until we get helium. And then it comes something else. After a while, we get carbon as the leftover. Carbon and heat. And the radioactive half-life is only 12.5 years for fusion. So, who cares at my age if I glow in the dark? I don't care. Okay.
Signing off?
Yeah, signing off.